going to show you some engines. This two here I got today. Do you want to see how they work?
Sure. Tell us what you're doing, Oscar.
You hold the battery.
Stay where you were and tell us what you're doing.
The battery, if you see those two little lines, they're coppers. Watch this. When you put the coppers in the battery, that little silver bit spins around. You want to see the next one? That one spins cool. My sister just tries to tap engines on. And this one works like this. Wait.
How many do you have, Oscar?
I'm not sure.
Count them.
I'm missing a nose one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,